Hi, friends. Welcome to today's talk on speaking English naturally. Now, what do I mean by natural? I mean the kind of English people really speak in everyday life. Not just grammar rules, but tone, emotion, and rhythm. I used to memorize textbook phrases, but I couldn't understand movies or real conversations. Sound familiar? Don't worry, we're going to fix that. First, let's understand what makes English sound unnatural. One big mistake is translating every sentence from your mother tongue. For example, in Tamil, we might say, "You ate fooda," but in English, it's "Did you eat?" Simple, short, and natural. Also, many learners use outdated or overly formal words that no one uses in real life. Another mistake is focusing too much on grammar while speaking. It's okay to make small errors. What matters is connection, not perfection. So, how do we learn natural English? Like children do. Think about babies. They don't use grammar books, they listen, observe, and speak. That's how we all learned our native language. The same method works for English. Start using common everyday expressions like I mean, sort of, sounds good, I guess, and let me see. These small phrases make your English sound more relaxed and fluent. Practice speaking with yourself every day. Describe your actions. I woke up late today. I'm making coffee. I'm watching a video. Record your voice and listen. It feels awkward at first, but it's one of the fastest ways to improve fluency. Watch short English videos or reels with subtitles, then without them. Repeat what the speaker says. This is called shadowing. You hear, then you echo. It trains your brain to catch the rhythm and tone of real English. Now let's talk about real conversations. Find someone to speak with, maybe a friend, or join a language exchange app like Hello Talk or Tandem. Don't just speak, listen carefully. Notice how native speakers pause, laugh, and express emotions. English is not just words, it's a feeling. If someone says, "That's cool," they may not mean it's cold. They're expressing approval. Finally, don't fear mistakes. Mistakes are signs that you're trying. No one speaks perfectly, not even native speakers. What matters is that you show up, speak up, and don't give up. Confidence doesn't come overnight. It builds through daily practice, small wins, and a positive mindset. So, my message to you is be proud of your journey. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Speak with the English you have now because practice makes progress, not perfection. Thanks for listening, and I hope you feel more motivated to speak English naturally. See you in the next episode.